What's up guys, welcome back to Ride the Bean. I'm so sorry about the audio. Again, my camera and microphone did not work, but today I'm leaving Firenze to head towards Pisa, where I'm gonna see the Leaning Tower. But before I leave, I want to stop by a place I've wanted to go for many years, the Marzocco Academy, where they make my favorite espresso machines.
Hey. It feels kind of weird being all dressed up with a lot of clothes and stuff again. I feel a bit cramped. Let's try to get out of this garage. If you ever come to Florence, I would definitely recommend staying at this hostel. It's a Yellow Corner, Yellowstone, something. It's actually a really nice hostel and a pretty affordable price. How do I get out? I thought they had like an automatic detection kind of thing, but no. Okay. Hi. Can I get out with my bike? Ah. Perfect. Now, let's try to get out of here. It's been nice to be in Firenze. It's a really beautiful city. I wish I could do more sightseeing and stuff, but with the weather it wasn't really time for, or that enjoyable, I guess, to do stuff. But I did manage to go on a history tour about the Medici family. Really fascinating history. One family ruling the whole of Italy basically for 400 years, and this family being responsible for the biggest Renaissance museum in the world, actually probably the oldest museum in Europe, at least, if not the world. And I got to see the David and learn the history behind the sculpture, the statue of David by Michelangelo, and how he carved it out of a solid block of marble, and the history of the cathedral, beautiful cathedral, and how the dome was constructed, where the architect was originally a goldsmith, went to Rome to study the Pantheon that the Romans had built, and he sort of broke it apart a little bit to see the construction inside, and he learned that he could place the bricks every other way, so one sideways and one straight in, and then build it in a circle that would support the weight of the whole structure. Very interesting. But now I'm excited to see some espresso machines. You know that I am a bit of a coffee nerd, and I've been working on La Marzocco machines basically all my coffee career. Faema I started with, and then graduated to La Marzocco. So now it's going to be very interesting to see what the museum looks like and have a look at some old espresso machines and learn a bit about the company. Firenze also has some really cool coffee bars. This is probably, after Milan, this is the city that you find the best coffee in Italy. Oh, I really enjoy the coffee in Verona too, but that's very new. And so if you come to Firenze, you can get some really good coffee. Fiesole. This is a nice place. Imagine living up on that hill. Now it is really pouring down. This is miserable. Can't even see anything. And it's supposed to be like this for the rest of the week, unfortunately. I was hoping to have some nice days on the road. And I found some off-road tracks going north that I wanted to check out, but I don't think I want to do that in this weather. I just stick to the main roads, I think. Here I think it's supposed to be museum. Is it here? Yeah, here it is. La Marzocco Academia. Alright, let's go have a look at espresso machines.
La Marzocco is one of the most iconic names in the world of coffee. For over 90 years, La Marzocco has been at the forefront of espresso machine innovation, setting the standard for quality, performance and design. Founded in Florence in 1927, La Marzocco was born out of passion for coffee and a desire to create machines that could consistently deliver the perfect shot. I have been working on their machines for many years, and they are my absolute favorites. So since I'm in Florence, I have to visit the academy. It turned out that this day the academy was actually closed to the public. But since I had come all the way from Norway, they gave me a private tour of the facility. Again, my camera unfortunately did not record any audio and some of my clips were corrupted. But I'm trying to make the best out of what I did get. Each La Marzocco machine is made by hand and tested to ensure the highest quality and performance. La Marzocco very recently released their newest machine made for home use, the Linea Micra. And I was one of the first people to get a look at it, as it was released the day before my visit. This academy is brand new, and one of the things that really stood out to me was the greenhouse in the middle of the building, where they have all kinds of plants, like banana trees and of course coffee trees, that helps produce fresh oxygen that circulates throughout the building. Really cool.
These are the owners today?
Yeah, this is Guido, it's the CEO. The Kent, they used to be also a friend of Piero, and then the owner of La Marzocco.
Is this an old GS?
Yes, they're all, yeah, exactly. GS.
From 71 to 81.
Yeah.
This is the very first
It's from
La Marzocco?
Yeah, from La Marzocco, yeah.
That is so cool.
La Marzocco at that time, they were just Bambi brothers.
This is 1927. That is so cool. It's really cool.
Yeah.
It looks like a spaceship.
Yeah.
So La Marzocco was the ones who made the first machines for Starbucks?
Yeah, also, yeah. And then Starbucks was growing so much that they asked La Marzocco to make more automatic machine, and Piero he refused it. He was like, no, sorry, we're not gonna switch to automatic. So Starbucks was really growing, so they needed that.
So not making them anymore? No.
They're not collaborating anymore. I mean, everything is fine, no problem, just choices.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is a really cool coffee van.
And the first years of La Marzocco, they went around with this van. It's really American stuff in my opinion.
They went around in this
Yeah.
just to show off the machines?
Exactly, yeah.
That's a La Marzocco grinder.
Yeah.
Disco Volante. That is so cool. I can go in?
Yeah,
That is so cool. I would love to have a van like this.
It's amazing. It's really friendly now to have a van that you can sleep in.
Do you still like travel around in it?
No.
No?
Maybe.
KB, this is one of my favorite machines.
Yeah.
I love working on this.
Design, actually. And this stuff is cool.
Looks like a Ferrari.
And red is
I have one of these in my shop. This machine is so gorgeous. Wow, well thank you so much. This was,
you're welcome.
even if it's closed. That was, Alright, that was fun. Now let's go to Pisa and see if we can find a leaning tower. Wow, became foggy. So welcome to Pisa. It got dark very quickly. Now I need to find my way to the hostel level. No idea where it is. Or where I am. Driving in a new city in the rain in the dark is terrible. I can't see anything and I have no idea where I'm going. Now, let's see, is there a place to park here? Where's the entrance to the house? Backpackers Lounge. This must be it. Right, let's get checked in. It's gonna be nice to have a shower now. I'm cold. Whole day of riding in the rain.